Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I want to talk about cannabinoids for you guys today. I got this PR package in the mail by Evan37, and I read through the whole letter, and I love when somebody puts a personal touch in a packaging or a package that you get. And this says, I've poured my soul into this brand for the last 16 months, and I am so grateful to finally be able to send you out one of our first reviewer boxes ever. I can't wait to see what you think. By Jesse Handcuff. I love that. And because of that, I figured I'm going to show you guys what they sent me, and I'm going to review it for you guys. So this is a 500 milligrams CBD Solate skin cleanser. You guys can see this. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to let you guys know if it's good. And then when I open the box is torn open because actually Zoomy tore open the box, my daughter. I have this, right? And this here is a CBD Infused Tinctures. If you guys don't know what tinctures are, they're drops that you put under your tongue that help you with pain. You guys know I suffer with chronic pain, nerve damage, the whole bit. Tinctures can actually be expensive, right? Depending on the quality of them. This here says, this is a travel pack. The fact that it has unflavored peppermint and tropical, I was like, wow. 250 milligrams of CBD Solate, right? No THC. THC, so you guys know, is the part of the marijuana plant that makes you high. But the CBD part that does not make you high is the medication part. CBD is natural. It comes from the earth, right? But they make them in these drops now. So if you have a hard time like consuming gummies or edibles. Okay, so you can see that I am so super oily. You can see the shine in my nose, the whole bit. Of course, the lights are also reflecting off my face, so you can kind of see it a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up, and we're gonna wash our face and see what it feels like on the face. I'm gonna be putting it on my Lumi Spa, which I don't know if you guys know what this is. It's a little brush. Go ahead and open it up and prime it because I haven't opened it or tried it yet. So, ooh, very liquidy. I will say that. Let's shake it out first. Maybe it's not supposed to be that liquidy. Maybe it is. I have no idea. Let's see. Very liquidy. Put a little water in my hand. Does it lather? Doesn't seem like it lathers very much. Seems to be like one of those gentle cleansers. Yeah, so I'm not getting a lather. I'm going to do half my face in the Lumi Spa and then half my face with my hands. If you guys don't know what the Lumi Spa is, I'll show you a quick like 15-30 second introduction to the Lumi Spa.
I want to talk about this new skin facial cleanser. So my friend Roxana Alvarez sent me this in the mail. Check this out. When you turn it on, you can see like the middle goes one way and the other one goes the other way. It is, I'm going to show you guys a clip right now of some videos that I watched about this. The advertisement of this seemed very interesting. This is what the videos look like.
The latest new skin device called Lumi Spa. This is the debut of this technology. Through Bihada Sotolechi, based on the skin cell research, your skin concerns are diminished. Using a gentle silicone surface embedded with antimicrobial silver, the treatment surface is easy to clean and provides a non-irritating movement on your skin. Because the opposite counter-rotation movement, this infuses the skin with some micro-pulsing movement, and that's why we call it micropulse. And since it's moving in different direction, we thought using the word oscillation will describe what we are trying to do with this technology. This specific movement then on the skin surface has been linked now to improvements in the skin structure.
Okay, so you guys watched that, and it seems really, really interesting. Now, the one thing that I love about this.
That's it. Take my hand and put it on the rest of the face. Okay, so it actually, I think it was just the initial pump that was a little bit more watery, because you can see it's a little bit thicker, just a little bit, but it's still runny. As you can see, I put a lot there. But let's go ahead. Oh, just on this side. To my eye with my fingers. Okay, now I'm gonna rinse. And it honestly just feels like a watered down lotion. Wow, this is a great cleanser. So it leaves behind the oils that need to be left behind, wiping away the ones that were on top. I can honestly say that a lot of people that use this cleanser will probably, and this is bad, but will more than likely not put a moisturizer on afterwards, which you should. Just because you clean your skin and it feels clean doesn't mean that you're not supposed to put a moisturizer on. But I will say that it left my skin, both sides, feeling like super soft. So it wiped away all that grease that you feel on the top layer. You can see that the light's not shining off my skin like it was. Like, it wiped away all the grease on that top layer, but it left like this, like the good oils behind, I guess you could say, the good moisture behind. Not oils, because I'm not slippery. You can just feel that it feels like my skin's hydrated, and then I put like a moisturizer on. There is one other product that is similar, but super, super expensive. The only other product that I've ever found is the QMS. This is called a Deep Gentle Cleanser. It's a cleansing lotion, right? This is what this acts like. It's fragrant free, and it has 0 THC. It also has all of this great stuff, like it says organic aloe, rich grapeseed oil. Really, hands down, honest to God, like, this feels great on the skin. I can see that this would stop you from producing as many wrinkles because you're not dehydrating your skin. You're not over cleaning it. A lot of times when you over clean your skin and you strip away all those oils, you can cause damage to the skin. You can cause more wrinkles. This is amazing. It's probably as amazing as this one, but this one costs a pretty good penny, and this is such a good deal. So definitely recommend that. A lot of people will say, do a tincture if you don't want to smoke. Honestly, personally, my doctor, I'm not naming names, recommended me doing tinctures because I mentioned that the gummies sometimes get my stomach upset, or the brownies, they get my stomach upset, and I don't want to be smoking things, putting things in my lungs all the time. So he said, why don't you try tinctures? They're less harsh on the stomach. So this company sent me these tinctures. Remember, CBD is the medication part of the marijuana plant, of the cannabis. It's the medicine. What it does, it can relax you. It can give you a good night's sleep. It just kind of relaxes your muscles. And 250 milligrams is a really good amount to start off with. So I thought I would try each one and let you guys know how they taste. So let's go ahead and do, you know what? I want to start with the tropical first. We'll go like tropical all the way to unflavored. So we're going to open it up and we're going to see. I am a huge advocate for, I love the fact that they have this packaging on them, so you know they haven't been opened, and it's child-proof. It has one of those child-proof locks, as you heard that. Like, you have to push down and then twist. Okay, so you can see it smells fruity. What it does, it goes under the tongue. Now, I'm not going to take the full amount of each one. I'm just going to take a drop or two each so I can tell you what they taste like. Let me tell you, I have tried tinctures, and some of them have the most horrific taste. That actually tastes like candy. I could totally do this. This tastes almost like it tastes very much like a fruity gum, right? Very, very nice. Put it under the tongue. You're supposed to keep it under the tongue for a few minutes and then swallow. It's supposed to absorb into the system quicker. So that is the Tropical. Really super nice flavor. Pleasantly surprised. If you guys have tried tinctures before, you know that it's not that easy to find one that actually tastes decent. But I've used them because I need them for my pain management. Okay, the next one is Peppermint. And that is very pepperminty. It's like a gum peppermint, but like the icebreaker gum, you know, the one that really has that punch of strong peppermint to it. You know what I'm talking, not the icebreaker, you know, the little square gums that are super strong. That's more what this one tastes like. Very much pepperminty. So now let's go to the unflavored. Now, obviously I'm not using them correctly because I just put 2 drops and then I'm swallowing it and talking to you. You are supposed to put it under and wait. I am just testing out the flavor for you guys. CBD has so many benefits. If you suffer from chronic pain, like I suffer from chronic pain, it can help alleviate those pains. It really, truly can. It can help you sleep. It relaxes your muscles. It can help with a multiple amount of things, even skincare. You know, that's why they probably sent me this, because they know that I do anti-aging videos a lot for you guys. And this is a skin cleanser. Like CBD actually can treat acne, believe it or not. So I'm going to take a drink of my grape, what is this, Welch's water to kind of swallow all that mint and tropical that's in my mouth. Now, wow. To find a tincture that I actually don't even taste. I don't even taste it. And I know it says unflavored, but it's supposed to have, you would assume it has a little bit of the marijuana taste. That's how I would explain it, but no, nothing at all. Wow. The good thing about this, I honestly would say, I know this is like maybe a stretch, but I think the peppermint one is so strong in the peppermint that it actually could help you with your bad breath. So if you suffer from bad breath, try the peppermint tincture. If you don't like peppermint, this tropical one is amazing. Truly, it tastes like candy. And the unflavored, if you don't want any flavor at all, this is freaking amazing. I'm actually so super impressed with the packaging, the whole bit. Look, so they put it in this like this foam. You can see this harder foam. And the reason that I think this is so cool is because you can travel with this. This is not something that you would get in trouble with traveling with, because it has no THC. It has no marijuana properties that make you high. So this is just strictly CBD. And you can see, like, if you put it in your suitcase, like, they're not going to mess up. They're not going to break because of this super awesome packaging. Wow. Super impressed, guys. I'll post the links in the comment section and down below. It says Evan 37 CBD Infused Tincture. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, truly, like this, and I'm not just saying this, right? I honestly, truly think that these products are super high quality, fantastic packaging, and if they can help you with acne or pain or any other issues that you may be having, CBD is a lot of times a fantastic alternative than taking these over-the-counter drugs, of taking these pharmaceutical drugs that say, oh, may cause death, may cause a heart attack, may cause high blood pressure. Like, CBD is a fantastic thing, and I honestly recommend this to all my personal friends and you guys, which are my friends. I thank you guys for watching. Once again, you know, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful year. I know I've mentioned that so many times in my videos, but I really do hope that you guys find your right path strive to do your best. Be healthy. If this helps, try it. It doesn't hurt to try it. I love you all. Thank you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.